Question number 12. In a regular polygon, okay, the interior angle and exterior angle are in a ratio of 11:1. So before that, you need to know where is the interior, where is the exterior. If you extend this will be the exterior, this will be the interior. Inside is interior. Okay, so from here we know that I plus E should equal to 180. Okay, it's given that ratio is 11, so plus 1 equal to 180. Since this is in ratio, so we just put 11 part plus 1 part. We get 12 part equal to 180. So 1 part is equal to 180 over 12. So your P is equal to 15. Or your exterior equal to 15 degrees. Okay. Now the question asks for number of side. For the number of side, it will be easier if you use the exterior angle. Okay. From the exterior angle, we know that 360 over n. So number of side is the n. So we want to find n is equal to 360 over e. Take this formula, it will be easier for you to calculate. Therefore, n is equal to 360 over 15, you should get 24. If you want to use the interior angle formula, which is n minus 280 over n, okay, that should equal to 15 times 11. You can solve this, you should get the same answer. I'm not going to solve this, it's waste of time. So to find number of side, okay, will be faster if you use the exterior angle formula. Even if the question give you interior angle, you just minus it from 180, you should get the exterior angle. So yeah, number of side will be 24. I hope this discussion along with the revision tips and answering strategies will help you in your exam preparation. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Best of luck with your studies and I will see you again in next video.